Alrighty, Heidi ho, everybody. Well, it's time for the small scale group build 2022, and sponsored by Brian at BG's Model Workshop and Sean, Scale Model Car Guy channel. This is one of the fun ones. This is one of the few group builds I'm going to do this year. I'm going to do this 135 Volkswagen Type 87 by CMK. It's a Czech Republic is where it's made. This is the Type 87. Got to collect my thoughts here. Getting old. I forget. What am I doing? Where am I? What is this? Oh, a model kit. Volkswagen Type 87. This was the four-wheel drive version of the Beetle. Excuse me. And it was mostly used as like a command car, stuff like that. I guess it was supposed to be, they were going to use these for kind of like Jeeps, where, you know, but trying to put 3 or 4 guys in here with their equipment, and them trying to get out of it when they needed to in a hurry. Yeah, anyone with experience with Volkswagen Beetles knows that you don't really get in and out of them in a hurry, especially from the back seat. But anyway, I got 2 of these kits. So what I'm going to do is, I got an itch. I'm going to build one of them for my small scale group build. But I'm going to build it as a civilian version, or let's say a war surplus. Civilian bought it, you know. I'm not sure about the whole story yet. Somehow somebody found it and managed to acquire it after the war, and I don't know, maybe a farmer or something. Whatever. I'm still developing that story, but there will be a story, because Skip always has a story. And of course Earl, he'll be helping me with a story, because he always has stories, whether they make sense or not. Mine I try to base on some form of reality. His, who knows where the story will be. But there it is. Type 87. Let's see. There's the instructions. That's it. Yep. That's all of that. Let me set that over here. It's got, looks like 3 versions of tires and wheels. There's the with or without hubcaps, and I think it has, yeah, because of the Type 87 has some extra little parts. See if I move some of this stuff. I should probably just go ahead and open the bag. It has these big balloon sand tires, and I was looking at them earlier, and this is kind of like with the Tamiya Kubel wagons. They'll come, the North Africa version will come with these sand tires, and then like the Schwinn wagons would actually come with you know, like the regular off-road type tire, the military tire. But there was 2 different types of tires and wheels for like the Schwinn wagons, and I'm not sure about the Kubel wagon, but there was an off-road. Damn frogs. I'll get them out of my throat here in a minute. So the tire and wheel, and they look kind of anemic to me, and being this is going to be 4-wheel drive, I thought if I could find the off-road, because this is the on-road version of the tire and wheel, and then they had an off-road version that was wider, and so the wheel even looked a little deeper. So I found these from Panzer Art, and they are the off-road. See if we can get that where we can read that. Schwimmwagen off-road wheels. Yeah, let me get these out here. And these are very nice. In fact, I'm probably going to see about getting some more of these, because I got some Schwimmwagons that I would really like to see these on. Some Schwimmwagon kits. But they come front and rear. There's a rear one. There's a... Get these out. Come on. There's a front. And then they also give you... Let me just dump them out. That might work better. And then they give you a spare. I don't know if my camera's going to show you this very well. There's even the valve stems are even there. See that's a nasty toothpick. Here's one less nasty. If you can see that there's actually a valve stem and everything on it. It's very nicely detailed. It's even got the writing on the tires. These are very nice. They are a little bit wider, and the wheel looks a little bit deeper. Bumping the camera. And yeah, see, this is the rear version, and this is the front version. And as you can see, compared to the ones that are in here, I don't know if you notice or not from this angle. Try and do this. Looking at them there next to each other, you can tell that get them in the camera. There we go. They are a little deeper and wider than the standard ones. They're almost the same diameter as the sand tire. But if you can see there, let me do this. I'm so coordinated compared to the sand tire. It's just a slight bit smaller in diameter, but not much. But it has a much nicer look because the wheel is deeper and everything. So I'm going to use these on this Type 87 to make it give it a little more beefy look, maybe with the tires and wheels. But yeah, still got to come up with a storyline and figure out how I'm going to paint it, but I'm going to get started on it. So there it is, my entry for the small scale group build, and for 2023. What did I say before? Did I say 2022 earlier? Yeah, I think that year has passed. So for 2023, small scale group build, I'm building a 135 scale Volkswagen Type 87 four-wheel drive Beetle. Yeah. Let's see how bad I can screw this up. All right. Thanks for dropping by, checking things out. And I am going to go see about getting busy on this small scale group build. Hopefully I'll have an update here not too long. All right. Check it out, guys. Until the next video, we'll catch y'all later.